Hey guys, Marina here with Off-Leash Canine here in Hampton Roads, and today I've got Sammy, the 2-year-old mixed breed, who comes to us for just needing a little work on his reactivity. He's reactive towards dogs and new people, mainly men, but all over he's a pretty friendly dog towards me at least. But I'm going to show you guys where he's at with his commands so far. Sammy, come. Good boy, Sammy. Sit. Sit. Sammy, sit. He's a big jumper. Sit. Sit. Sammy, sit. Sit. Sammy, sit. Good boy. Down. Down. Sammy, down. Sammy, down. Down. Sammy, down. Down. Hey, down. Can you give me a paw? Down. Down. Sammy, heel. 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 He definitely doesn't know heel. He's usually pulling on the leash a lot, but check back with me in 2 weeks and he's gonna be amazing. Thanks.
Hi, I was here for Sammy. He had some issues with some dog aggression and leash pulling. Took him in here. Miranda was a great trainer. She gave me constant feedback on how Sammy was doing, and now he's a great boy who listens to me well.
Josh Wilson with Off-Leash Canine Training. I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.